Hello, this is Jonathan Johnson here again today, working with a Windows Server 2008 inside of VMware. Today we're going to be doing Activity 3-17 using Windows PowerShell. But first off, we're going to go and we're going to install Windows PowerShell. I thought that since this is both the same video, I would install this in the same video and sense as using PowerShell for Windows. So first off, we go to Start, hover over Administrative Tools, click Server Manager. Then we're going to click in here and we're going to scroll down to the feature summary box right here, and in this box right here we're going to click add features, and then over here we're going to scroll down until we find Windows PowerShell. It's alphabetical order, so it'd be toward the bottom. We're going to check, there it is, Windows PowerShell. We're going to check that box. Now we have that box checked, we're going to click next, and we're going to click install. Now it's going to go through and it's going to install Windows PowerShell, so I'm going to put it on pause while it's doing this because it might take a few minutes. Okay, we're back, and now Windows PowerShell is automatic updating is not enabled, but the installation has succeeded, so we're going to click close. Now right here it says features 1 of 35 installed, and then it shows in the box Windows PowerShell. Now we're going to click close, and we're going to close the server box. And now Windows PowerShell has been installed, but now we must restart the server, that way the feature works properly. So we're going to restart Windows Server 2008, and this comes up all the time, so a comment thing, I just type in something so it'll click OK to restart. I'm gonna put you on pause while the server restarts. Alright, we're back. The server has restarted now perfectly. So now we're going to start Activity 317 using Windows PowerShell. Our objective is to use traditional command prompt commands and cmd lets in Windows PowerShell. The description is, learning how to use Windows PowerShell can be an important way to expand your server administration toolbox. In this activity, we're going to take several traditional commands and cmd lets for test drive. Windows PowerShell must be first installed before you start. We've already installed it, so now we're going to go down, we're going to click Start, click All Programs right here, and click Windows PowerShell 1.0 right there. Now we click Windows PowerShell 1.0, and we're going to click Windows PowerShell under the drop-down part. We click Windows PowerShell. Notice Windows PowerShell is open. All it is a different version almost of a command prompt. Okay. To view the files in the current folder, such as users, administrator, one page at a time, type the traditional command dir. Whoops. That line. Man, typing is off. Dir, that, keep forgetting, I don't remember what that line's called. And then more, and push enter. And then directory microsoft.powershell.core, file system, users, administrator, mode, last write time, length time, contacts, desktop, documents, downloads, favorites, links, music, pictures, saved games, searches, videos. It shows the mode right here, DR, which we typed in, dir, the mode, and then it shows the time for it. They're all at 8:22 p.m. 3/31/2014 is when it was last done. So now that's that. And to change the user's directory, you're going to enter cd . Oh wait, whoops. It says you can push the space bar also if necessary to advance to additional pages, but this is the only page we have available to us at the time. So now for the next change, to change the user's directory, enter cd / users, and then push enter, and your Windows PowerShell window will look, whoops, there we go. Wait, what we got here, the term cd users is not recognized as a cmd let function, operating program, or script file. cd / users. Okay. Okay, I did the first command wrong. This right here, this table right here, is meant to be for this command right here. So that's my fault there. So let's go ahead and redo the other command. Actually, wait. Yeah, let's go ahead and redo the other command. So dir line, I just called that thing a line, more, enter. There we go. See, I did it wrong. This right here, this table right here is meant for the excuse me, the CD/users. And right here, we can go up here, we can press spacebar for more pages, but there's no more pages currently to view at the time. So view it. That's that. Now we're going to view a listing of CMD LETS. We're going to type get command, just like that. Never mind. We're going to type in get command more, push enter, and woo! Look at all these CMD let commands we have. A whole page of them. Now we can push space, and there's more pages of the CMD let commands. Space, space. There's 3 pages of these. You see the commands on the screen one at a time. We press the spacebar like I just showed you to advance to the next screen. We're going to repeat this step until you've viewed all the screens, which we already have. Note that you can also press Q to exit back to the command line if you decide to not view all the screens on the commands. So we're going to go back, push Q. Well, it's not letting us go back. Q. Anyways, we viewed all the pages. Now we're going to press the up arrow and notice that the last command you entered is placed. There we go. That's the last command we entered, the get command, is placed there. And we're going to press the up arrow again to see the last command you entered, and we're going to press enter to run that command. Enter. And there we go. We push enter, and now we brought up the very first thing we put up, the dir line more, and we brought that command up. Now we're going to type get process and then press enter to view the processes running on the server. So we're going to type in get process, push enter. Now here's all the applications running on the server currently. The process names right here: CSRSS, CSRSS, DLLL host, DWM, about a bunch of the SV, CH, OS host, CV, CH host, trusted installer, which we installing wizard, when log on, when you log on to the server, VM2, LSD, tasking, task ENG. So there's all the ones that are currently typed in. Now we're going to type in get process. This is going to be somewhat a long one, so we're going to type in get process, that line again, where we're going to do these brackets. Make sure you don't have the square brackets, make sure you have them brackets, money sign, underscore, dot, capital WS, dash GT, space, 500 megabytes, space. We're going to close the brackets with that, right, space, put a line. And I hate typing in these long things, because every time I type them in, something always seems to be not typed in correct. And push enter. Alright, if you have any processes over 500 megabytes of the memory, this command will stop those processes. So now we'll go up here, we'll look. Let's see, CPUs. There is none going over 500 megabytes anymore. We have currently stopped all of those. Now we're going to type in get service. Type in get service and then press enter to view the services that are running or are stopped. Alright, look at all these ones that are stopped and then running. About every other one is stopped. Running, stop, 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 stopped, running, running, stop. About every other few are stopped because they were over 500 megabytes. So we stopped them processes to save CPU usage. You can view more about the main or core Windows PowerShell CMDs. Type in get-help about underscore core underscore command and push enter. And look right here, location for the CMD lets, get location, pop location, push location, set location, path commands, property CMDs, provider, all these things. You can type that in command and to get help for this. Also, you can view the online help about a specific CMD let by typing get help plus the CMD let. For example, type in get help join path and then press enter. That's all I have for you in this activity. I guess there we go. We're going to close that. So basically, in a nutshell, Windows PowerShell is almost a command prompt, except for it's command prompt for the server itself. It's not only for a computer; it's for the server. It's a server command prompt, and you can stop processes from going up above 500 megabytes, save energy on the CPU usage, take off memory, set security settings inside it for the server itself. And that's all I have for you on this activity on Windows Server 2008. I hope to see you in the future videos and hope you learned something on this activity. Thank you. Bye.